So we're going to give a quick tour of the Cedar Point Breakers. We're in 8233 in the tower, or next to the main building. And this is standard king room here, or actually 2 queens. I like the backboards. These have been renovated since when we were last here many moons ago. TV, little desk area, a couple of chairs, mirror, and our view. You either going to get views of the lake or the roller coasters, and it looks like here we got a little bit of views of the lake off in the background there, as well as the roller coasters here. It's got a little sitting area. It's not super fancy, but it's hard to beat the location and having the close entrance to the park. And you do have an extra entrance at the park. We'll show that in a second here. There's a couple of outlets right there. And everybody probably expects today, they want a lot of outlets and places to plug things in, recharge things. So some mini fridge and a microwave right here. There is a safe if you need it. And the bathroom. Not a huge bathroom, but we don't need a huge bathroom. Here's the tub. So that's the room, and it looks like there's a connection if you are trying to stay with some other folks. You can connect your rooms like that. I'll show you real quick where the entrance is for early entry. So if you look, this red track coaster, if you're not familiar with it, that's the Magnum XL 200, and the station is right there. And then the entrance right over here, and just next to the station, just on the other side of the station, there's an entrance in between the Magnum and the Gemini, and that's where you can go in for early entry to the park about an hour before the park opens to the general public. Pass holders get in early as well, so it's not like resort guests are the only ones who are going to be getting in early. So that's the room tour. The prices are going to vary wildly depending on when you stay and how, what time of season, what time of year, and weekdays or weekends. But if you're looking for the absolute closest location, then this is a good place to be. Thanks for watching, everybody.